Hi, I'm Jo and I'm your online workstation assessor. We've created a series of videos which is specifically aimed at helping people that are doing in-house assessments just to refresh their knowledge. Now, you're probably wondering why I'm sitting on the floor. Well, today we're going to look at what goes on underneath the desk and also, more importantly, when somebody should be using a footrest and when they shouldn't be using a footrest. Now, as a workstation assessor, I have lost track of the times people have said to me, I think I need a footrest. You only actually need a footrest is if when you're sitting at the right height, your feet don't reach the floor. Now, this tends to happen to people that are slightly shorter. Now, this is Iona. She works in our sales support department. You can only see her legs, but if she was standing up, she would be about 5'2" or about 152 centimetres. So when she's sitting at the correct height, her feet don't quite reach the floor. And what you can see is there's actually quite a severe angle between her knee and her hips. So when somebody's feet aren't quite on the floor, it tends to encourage them either to sit on the edge of the seat, which means they're not getting any back support, or they drop the chair so that their feet feel more comfortable, but then they're not sitting at the right height, which puts more strain at the neck. So, if you're sitting at the right height and your feet don't reach the floor, you need a footrest. This is the only time you need a footrest, and what you'll see then is the feet are more comfortably supported, which actually encourages people to sit in the back of the chair, actually get full back support. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, and if you subscribe to the channel, you'll find out when the next video in the series is.